from MyStyleSpot. Now, I know many of you tend to be weary of the heated hair styling tools. Trust me, I get it. I've done a number on my hair over the years with flat irons, so I do kind of tend to shun them. And actually in the last couple of years, I rarely use them. But I'm so excited to share with you a product that will straighten your hair without being so harsh on it like flat irons. And that is the JOYYUM 3-in-1 Hot Air Brush Straightener that's a brush. Now, I mean, you're probably thinking, how is that more safe? Well, it actually is. The JOYYUM Hair Straightener does a great job of straightening hair, but is also so gentle and healthy on the hair because it uses negative ions. So it's really gonna keep hair healthy and shiny, gonna prevent breakage, and just be overall better for your hair than traditional flat irons. The JOYYUM Hair Hot Air Brush eliminates frizz and detangles at the same time with this coated tourmaline brush. It feels gentle on the hair. It really just goes through hair smoothly. Don't have any issues. And I tend to have quite tangly, thick, coarse hair. So I've been really impressed with just how smoothly it'll glide through my hair while straightening or even just using, as you can see here, regularly. So it really detangles effectively and works amazingly, but it also really straightens hair too. You have two different temperature controls. The first one is for thinner hair. I use this top one, which is the ion. It's for, of course, thicker hair, more coarse, tangly hair, and it's worked amazingly for me. I've been using this the last couple of weeks, and I just love how sleek and shiny my hair gets. I didn't even blow dry it. I just let it air dry mostly and then used this once it was dry, and amazingly, like, it does such a great job of straightening my hair. And I tend to have like really tight curls in the back that can be such a pain, but this brush really just like gets through it all, really gets through it amazingly, and just really straightens effectively. It really does leave hair like silkier, shinier, and smoother. I've noticed a big difference with my hair. I mean, my hair tends to be quite unhealthy. I'm really bad about getting trims regularly. So I've been really impressed with just how shiny and smooth and soft it feels. Like, it looks and feels so much healthier, and I have really loved that. The JOYYUM 3-in-1 Hot Air Brush like really gets you salon straightened quality results that will last all day. In fact, it lasts several days for me. I will push it 2 or 3 days before I need to wash it, and my hair just stays super stick straight, looks amazing. I love it. It heats up quickly, like within 60 seconds, so it saves energy. It also has an auto shut off, so it'll shut off after a period of time of not using it. It is really durable and high quality. You can tell just by feeling it. Like, it is a quality straightening brush, and I love it. I love the nice, wide, dense comb, so you can really get like a ton of hair straightened in one glide, like way more than you're gonna get with a flat iron. So it really saves you time too. I can straighten my hair so much faster with this than a traditional flat iron because it does cover so much more, and it just easily detangles my hair. I can eliminate brushing, I can eliminate the blow dryer like I said. It really is just an amazing all-in-one straightening brush that really cuts through the frizz and leaves hair just shiny, smooth, and straight. It heats up to 210 degrees Celsius, so it's still safe on the hair, but you're still gonna get those high temperatures on the high setting. For those of you like me that have the thicker hair that really need something high heated to cut through, you know, the crap that is hair sometimes.
The JOYYUM 3-in-1 Hot Air Brush is the perfect combination of a hair dryer, a round styling comb, allowing you to dry and smooth your hair easily, as well as straighten. This one-step hair dryer and volumizer makes hair styling more effective, and you can create sleek, straight style or voluminous curls. The ionic technology in this brush keeps hair healthy. The ceramic and tourmaline coated brush barrel generates more concentrated ions and even heating to protect your hair from damage, helping to achieve a more silky, smoother look and shine. The soft nylon bristle brush allows you to easily detangle hair and improve volume and control with anti-static results. It has 2 adjustable heat settings, the high heat for thick, strong, and medium hair, like I'm using here, or the low heat setting for soft, fine, and thinner hair. The JOYYUM hair straightening brush heats up super quickly, has a convenient on-off switch, and powers up to 60 watts, 210 max heating temperature, so it's healthy on hair. It also has a convenient 360-degree rotating cord, so you can get every piece of hair styled perfectly.
I just love that it saves time. It really cuts down on my morning routine. It straightens hair effectively. It really detangles. I don't have those ouchies like I get with the flat iron sometimes where it tugs on hair. So it feels better to me, pain-free, absolutely, less hair damage. And you know how when you burn yourself with a flat iron, like I do it on my neck all the time, and it hurts so bad and then leaves this ridiculous line. I hate it. So this is totally safe though with the brushes. As you can see, you don't have the hot part right against your skin. These do of course get hot, so you don't want to do this when it's hot, but it's gonna really like just stay away from your skin, work what it needs to on the hair, but you're not gonna get those horrible burns. So totally pain-free. I love that. Amazing, you guys. It is the JOYYUM 3-in-1 Hot Airbrush Straightener. You can find them at joyyumshop.com, so be sure to check them out. You can also find them on Amazon. Check them out there. There are so many tons of 5-star reviews. People love it. I'm not the only one. It's amazing. And also, I have a code for you guys. If you check below, use my code, you can get 12% off your purchase plus free shipping. So amazing. Check out their shop. They have other awesome hairstyling, heat tools, other products that I know you're gonna love. I'm definitely gonna be checking it out and buying more from them. Super impressed with this, and it's totally affordable, you guys. It's like around $30. So amazing, like even way cheaper than a lot of flat irons. It absolutely straightens as well as some of the most expensive flat irons I've used. But again, it saves time and energy, and I can get through my routine faster and no ugly, unsightly neck burns. So amazing. Check them out, you guys. I know you're gonna love them. I absolutely love this brand. Can't wait to try more. So excited with it. If you like this video, please subscribe for free weekly content. Comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to answer them. Have you used this brush? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And also please like and share this video if you can. I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.